I am not a professional YouTuber and programmer, but I love coding and I like to share it with the world. We sometimes have problems finding a particular photo when uploading photos on social media. For example, this time I want to upload this photo on my Instagram page, but when I go to upload, see what happens. I can't figure out exactly which photo I had chosen out of so many photos because the names of those photos are so hard to remember. To solve this problem, I have developed a Python program for renaming multiple files in a folder at once, and it will not be difficult to remember those names. Let's see how this is possible. To watch the entire video for a better understanding. I hope this time it will not be difficult to find a specific photo.